Swiping on Hinge when it's later in the evening. Dressing up, eating, ended up leaving. Use the same line to find a day for next weekend. Feeling like a job now, answering the questions. Every candidate is a familiar perspective. I don't want to talk about the time we gave my birthday. I don't always feel like I'm possibly around that. Funny, you can find it as you want to. Cause everybody's got a couple vibes. Trying to feel faster with a good life. Don't spend the race from the other person that was on the line. Because you're talking to another one. I know it's funny that you're trying to hate, but it's scary to be talking on the internet. Take over, buddy. Stories for the guys. We got one more chorus, and it's you. Still to the facade of it all, and I can't even believe it's even coming back. Still can't keep thinking to check and pretend I didn't ask you to place where I'm about. You are too, so was the last guy who bought your drinks for you. I guess if the only way out is through, then I'm never gonna fucking do it again. But that's all we can find is you. Everybody's got my voice is cutting out, so it's time for your story.